Hi, I'm Joanne and I play the role of Grace in Rosnaroon. Grace is a very interesting and complicated character, I have to say, because there's so many different sides to her. She has a very positive, superficial image. She's very, obviously very nice and friendly and articulate, and everyone gets on very well with her and wants to help her with all her problems, and she gets on very well. She's very positive, makes a very positive first impression on people. There's another side to her that is much darker and very manipulative, and she uses her sort of good social skills to manipulate people, to deceive breeds, obviously, and seduce Vince in this case. Yeah, so she's very complicated and interesting. I suppose I may have been a little bit nervous on the first day, but really everyone was very friendly, and the team gave me a lot of support on the day, so I felt good about the scenes. As it happened, the first scene that I had to do in Rosnaroon was Grace's first day in the shop working with Breed and Vince, so it worked out because I had to act as if I was nervous anyway. I don't think it's hard for her to hide her love for Vince, because she's a very skilled liar and manipulator, and she seems to do it without much of a problem. So that's all for me, and I hope that you enjoy the character of Grace on Rosnaroon.